touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had this place on nothing, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had this place on nothing, take you there.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this butter chicken legs recipe, and amongst other recipes that I'm doing. I am going to make some garlic herb potatoes. Oh yes, so we are going to get all these ingredients, and there's my girl, Spicy Spice. Hey girl. And you'll need some garlic. Okay, so use all these ingredients and mix them all up. Here's our chicken drumsticks that we're going to use. We're going to clean them up. So the chicken has been cleaned, and I'm soaking it in some vinegar and lemon juice. So we're going to go ahead and re-rinse these, clean them off again, and then get it dried up with some paper towel and get ready to season. Okay, so I laid out the chicken legs. I did put slits in the chicken, okay, and that's so all the flavor could get down in these drumsticks and get married together while it's baking. Oh yes. And then we're going to lay some paper towel on top and completely dry them. We want these to be completely dry so that when we apply our olive oil on them and start seasoning, the seasoning will stick to the chicken. So make sure you dry them very well. Okay, so I placed our seasoning in a glass dish, and we're going to go ahead and marry it together. Here, I laid them there completely dry, as you can see. So let's get started. You'll need that olive oil, okay? So go ahead and continue massaging your chicken with all that olive oil and seasoning, making sure you're getting in the slits and all the flavors can get married together and embedded. And we're going to go ahead and let this marinate for about 2 hours in the fridge. And then we'll get ready to sear these babies up shortly. So I'm going to finish this and we'll go on to the next step. So I went ahead and minced up some fresh parsley, thyme, and rosemary. And now we're going to apply it to the chicken and cover it all over. And I'm going to rub that in as well. I actually marinated our chicken overnight. So I took it out so it can set and rest. Now go ahead and brown up your chicken on medium-high heat. We're going to brown all sides of the chicken. So we got our fresh herbs, some carrots, green pepper, onions. I started to put some red peppers in there. I don't know. But I need it for something else, so I decided to just go with this for right now for our butter chicken. I went ahead and plugged me some of this fresh basil. Okay, that we're going to add in here as well. And then we're going to go ahead and lay our chicken on top of this. I'm going to use some better than chicken bouillon base to put in here along with the chicken. And then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of water, cover it, and put it in the oven so the chicken can continue to cook. So anyway, we took our chicken out of the pan. We just wanted to brown it a little bit. We're gonna let it cook the rest of the way in the oven, and then I am going to go ahead and make our butter sauce. So I'll be right back. And I'm also using some of my fresh lemon balm that I just put some in there too. So I wanted you to know what's all going in here. Okay, so delicious, healthy, fresh herbs, vegetables, nothing like it. You want some delicious, juicy, flavorful chicken. Our chicken was marinated overnight, so you know our chicken is bomb, okay? With all the seasonings you've seen before. And we got some garlic, minced garlic in here as well. So as you can see, I placed some better than bouillon up in there, and then we're gonna mince it. We're gonna add some water to this shortly, so we can mix everything up a little bit and get it started. I added a little bit more seasoning, the blend mix that I showed you earlier. We're just gonna get it mixed together, married really well. Let it get married together, okay, y'all? And then we're gonna place that chicken on top, and of course, as everything start cooking up really nicely, we will go ahead and flip our chicken, making sure our chicken is immersed into this goodness, okay? Once it start getting going. So go ahead and start placing. Sorry, you're probably like, Lord, we don't need to be in the dish like that, okay? Let's get our chicken in here. I know, I'm all close up to the mix. To the mix. Okay. Want to get everything in here. Fit it nicely. Okay. Go ahead and get it in. You see. All right. This fit nicely. All in the dish. Perfect. Okay. So cook under 350 degrees. We're going to cook for about 25 minutes. And then I'm going to go in there and get to stirring up all this goodness. Making sure everybody get married. Everybody get married up in these fresh herbs and deliciousness. And then go ahead, turn them over, and then uncover, remove the foil and let it finish cooking. And I'll be right back. All right, y'all. As you can see, everything is cooking down and it's looking good. The carrots everything, it smells so delicious, y'all. So I'm just turning it over a little bit. Rotating the chicken and stirring around all that seasoning so that our chicken can get brown. And then I am going to put this in the oven uncovered. Okay, uncovered. So it could get done. Oops, I'm about to already turned that one. I'm working with one hand, y'all, so excuse me. But, oops, splashing stuff everywhere. Just trying to turn it over. But anyway, you get the gist, right? And we're gonna put this back in the oven, uncover it, and let it cook for another 30 minutes or so. I'm about to harvest some of this Swiss chard so we can have for our dinner as well. Don't they look good, y'all? So it is really doing well. Our chicken is nice, delicious with all those veggies and herbs and seasoning. Oh yes, it's ready. Now I'm about to peel the corn on the cob and get it ready. So here I am doing our roasted butter potatoes. I got our butter in there. We got some rosemary, thyme, and some fresh parsley that I put in there. I put butter. We got garlic in there, onions. Now go ahead and put some olive oil in the pan and put your garlic in there, and we're going to start our garlic butter for our chicken. So go ahead and let it heat up and make sure it's on low because, you know, we don't want to burn our garlic at all. Okay, so now we're going to add a little lemon juice. Add your lemon juice. And we're going to cook this for about a minute or two, just so that garlic can incorporate the flavor with the lemon. And then we'll slowly start adding our butter. Make sure it's not too high, y'all. We don't want to burn our garlic or anything of the sort. So make sure you're doing this on low, because I don't want my garlic to get burned. Okay, just let it get married together, y'all, and it'll work out just fine for our butter sauce. Our chicken legs are ready, and it's ready to receive all this deliciousness that we are combining and compiling together. It smells so good. This butter has been cubed, guys. We're gonna slowly keep working it in there. Slowly keep working the butter in there. And keep stirring till we get that butter consistency the way we like it. Keep adding, and after that we're going to add our herbs and the rest of the flavors to this nice creamy butter. Okay, it's not so creamy anymore, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's add our parsley to the mix and give it a nice little stir. Let me turn this down a little bit more, because we want to simmer. We don't want to cook our butter. We don't want no brown butter, but we want those flavors though. So turn it down a little bit. Add some parsley. Let's get some black pepper going on, fresh cracked pepper. Okay. Pink Himalayan salt, just a little bit. That's it. Because our butter is a little salted already. Get to stirring it all up. We want those flavors. And now we're ready to go. We're ready to go, y'all. Actually, y'all, our chicken actually don't need any of that butter, because the gravy that came out of our pan on this delicious chicken, baked chicken legs, you didn't need any. You really didn't need any. But I just wanted to boost up the flavor just a little bit, just a little bit, y'all. With a little bit of that butter sauce, it won't hurt nobody. So anyway, bon appetit. This is what we have here. And I'm just going to pour some of that goodness on there, just a little bit. We don't need a whole bunch. Just a little. It's the taste of some of that goodness on there. Voila. And there you have it, guys. Your butter garlic chicken legs ready to go. And it's flavorful. And baby, this chicken is so tender, you ain't gonna need nothing else. Baby, when I say it was already falling off the bone, it was falling off. Delicious. Falling off the bone. Just some of that butter sauce. Yeah. Let's go. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Go ahead and I put my asparagus right in that butter for the rest. Ciao. Alright, so I had it covered. Our potatoes. Now it's time to give it a stir. I just put a little bit of Creole seasoning in there.
We season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey, we season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey.
Potatoes are practically done. I'm just going to remove the
Sizzle
foil
and
so
pop,
it's browned
sizzle
up.
and pop,
Brown up a
sizzle,
little
sizzle,
bit.
sizzle and pop. Jill come
Bon
for zone.
appetit.
Jill come for
Herbs,
zone.
deliciousness in there.
We season, we cook it,
Oh,
we
yeah.
eat it. We season, we cook it, we eat it. We season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey.
Potatoes. Enjoy the good.
Bring the flavor. Bring the flavor. Jill comfort zone. Jill comfort zone. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop.